In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide apps from your home screen on an Android phone like my Samsung device right here. Hiding apps from the home screen enhances privacy, declutters the interface, and improves security by preventing unauthorized access to sensitive information. To do this, simply long hold on your screen to head into your home screen settings. Just long hold anywhere on your screen. Tap right here to head into your home screen settings. On this page, scroll down to the very end. Tap on the option of Hide Apps right here. You will then have to select any app you wish to hide from your home screen. Let's say the Contacts app right here. Mark on it and press on the Done button at the bottom right here. Your Contacts app will disappear from your home screen. In case you wish to use it, all you need to do is to just search for it in the search bar right here. To unhide the hidden app, still long hold and head into your home screen settings, scroll on Hide Apps. In the section of Hidden Apps, just tap on this icon to unhide hidden apps. That's how easy it is to hide and unhide apps on your Android device. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.